Welcome to GoAmazing Content Management System Tutorials. I'm Mike, and today we're going to go over how to set up content groups or cohorts. And what this allows you to do is set up group-specific content. So one group can see the content and the other group sees different content or just not that content. Let's get right to it. So we are on our CMS here. We're going to click Settings. Group configurations. I've already set mine up here to set up a new content group. It's pretty easy. Click set create one and put the name of the group. Easy. Okay, I've already done that. Let's click cancel. And then after those are created, you need to go to the LMS. Remember, you can always scroll down to the bottom of the CMS and click the little LMS button at the bottom right. And we're going to go to Instructor, Cohorts. Click Enable Cohorts. And then you're going to add a cohort first. If it's a new course, you're not going to have any there. I've already added these, so you click Add a Cohort. You need a name. You're going to click Manual. And then you're going to select your content group. I'll show you with the ones I've already done. So you've made your content group and you go to Settings, Manual, and then choose that. We've done that. And then you add the emails of the students that you want to be in that group. And so you do that with all the groups you've created, as many groups as you want. You know, that could be for a project you're doing or discussion. And I'm going to show you how to do that on the CMS right now. Let's go there. Now that we have that set up. Now, you cannot do it on a section, but you can do it on a subsection. So you click the configure like this. And now when you click content groups, the groups that you've added will appear right here. So you click the one you want, and then remember, only the students in that content group can see that subsection. You got to be a little careful. Make sure you want some students to do one and other students not. Maybe they have two different assignments. That's the way to go. Okay, let's cancel that. Let's go in here and show you a little bit more into our subsection. You can do it with specific items in your course like this. All of these can have it. We have our online meeting here, and you can have only a certain group able to take part in that meeting. So you can set up 2 different meetings or 3 different meetings. And here is a discussion. The same thing, content groups. You choose which. You can have both or neither. If you don't choose either, then everyone gets access. So it stays the same as it was. And that is pretty much it. Once you've set your groups, make sure you click Publish so those changes go into effect, and you're done. Got that? All right. Thank you for using GoAmazing, and have a great day.